Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 16th, 2021, and we felt that today was a very good opportunity for us to tell you what is going on in the market for Coinbase. As we try to get a heads up as to where price is going to go so that we can win in the market. Right before anyone else expects the price to get to a certain price level, we ensure that we are there first so that we can win. Now, if you want to be a part of that community, make sure you hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification as well, because I'm going to tell you, give you the honest truth, that we're not here to give you any FOMO, any FUD. We're not here to hype you up. We're simply worried about taking the bag and making this money from the stock market. So make sure you continually come to this YouTube channel to continue to get your price predictions out the market, all without being confused. So last time we did our video in Coinbase was maybe a day or two ago. You guys can see that we really couldn't play the market on a daily time frame because it's a relatively new trading instrument in the exchange. So we play this on a 30-minute chart, and so far this has been the outcome of what the market has done against our price prediction. So the main reason why we're coming here to give you all this update is to show you that for the most part, the market in Coinbase is able to create a firm support area around $320. We established that on our video that we garnered over the last couple of days. So the first thing that we're going to do, okay, you guys can see we're going to get rid of this ascending line because the market is no longer following that trend. In fact, the market in Coinbase is still holding this consolidational trading range. All right, so we're going to bring that support area in the market in Coinbase to $320, right? Now, you guys can see we're up about 5.25% today into the market in Coinbase. The market is still trying to break that restriction area that we identified right here. Now, the question is, do you think the market's going to be able to do it? Okay, it failed on that particular 30-minute price bar, but take a look. The market is still wanting to go higher in price. So this is not going to be a very difficult price prediction. Now, we're not going to play this out 5 years, 10 years down the road. No, we're here to make the money now while we can. Give us the opportunity cost to place the funds here, take it out the market and place it in another play, right? So let's do this real quick. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to extend out this restriction line. Let's go ahead and get rid of this area, this profitability prediction we did. If you was able to grab that profit out the market in Coinbase, 2.25%, relatively small, simple to see, let's get rid of that. And now let's play the market in Coinbase going forward, because what we're seeing is literally the market wanting to break this restriction area. That is what is going on in the market right now. It is trying to break that restriction area in Coinbase. So we need to make a determination as to whether or not the market will be successful at it, or will it get rejected and come back down and trade right within this trading channel that I have drawn on my chart. You can see our chart is relatively clean. We're not here to confuse you. We do not place all those umpteen technical indicators that so many people try to place on their chart, trying to give you the indication that they're some type of expert. The less indicator that's on someone's chart, the more of an expert they are. It doesn't require all of those indicators on the price chart just to get a grasp as to where the price is going to go. And we've been showing you all that for some time now. So literally what we're getting into the market in Coinbase is a minor uptrend. Okay, right there. So the market is in an uptrend. No doubts about it. You guys can visually see that. The only problem is where the market is getting hung up at is around $345, right? So what are we going to do? Well, obviously, we're going to expect that the market's going to have enough momentum to break this restriction area of 345. The next one is right there around $350, $352. So if we were to do a price range to see what percentage difference it is from where the last trade was to 350, is about 3%, maybe around 3.5% market movement from there. Okay, so now that's pretty good profit playing this on a small time frame. Okay, we're not going out on a daily time frame yet because the historical information is too small for us to actually garner where the price is going to go. Okay, so yeah, we're definitely looking for the market in Coinbase to come up to around $350, $352. And then the next level after that would be the next area of restriction would be right there around 357 to 360. Okay, So right there around $360 would be the next area that we will be eyeing the market in Coinbase to try to go to. This is not hard. This is not difficult. So let's go ahead and do this real quick, because I really just wanted to break in, give you all this crucial price update into the market for Coinbase, because I know many of us are antsy as to when should we get in, when should we get out. It all depends on how long you're going to be in the market. Okay. For us, we're not going to be in this play long. We're just going to simply play this on the minute time frame. And then as we get more price history, more price information on the price chart, then we can branch out to the daily, to the 3-day, to the 5-day, to the weekly time frame. But as of right now, with so little limited amount of pricing history, we have to allow the market to give us more before we're able to branch out to do a longer term price prediction. Okay. So let's go ahead and play this on a 30-minute chart. I like the 45-minute as well. Looking at this on the 90-minute. Yeah, this last 90-minute price bar right here confirms that there is still weakness at this $345 price. So the market may even go lower, but that's cool. You know, I'm able to absorb that so long as the market doesn't come all the way back down towards, $330, right? Because that last completed 90-minute price bar literally tells us that there is still weakness here in the market. So yeah, in the beginning phase, expect the market to drop, okay? But still, we're still going to forecast the market in Coinbase to give us a little bit of strength. And like I said, we're going to play this on a 30-minute chart. And let's go ahead and do that real quick. So we said what, $350 to $352 is where we will come in and TP out the market. About 3.82%. Okay. Market support on a 30-minute time frame is going to be right here at $328. All right. Now I'll be cool with the market touching 325 on a very quick touch, and then come right back up into our area of price prediction. But generally, this is what we're seeing. Okay. The market, we would TP around 350, 352 initially, but I'm going to increase it all the way up to around 360 in the market for Coinbase. All right. So this is it. We're playing this on a 30-minute chart. The market currently is going through a consolidation of range. You guys can see right here. And it's our expectation that we're going to break that eventually, right? So we might trade then next week, actually break that to the upside on the 30-minute chart. So be on the lookout for that, because we will. So now it is your turn. As always, we're a community of individuals who is learning to call the markets. So we want your opinion as to where you think the market in Coinbase is going to go on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, we don't have that much history to go off of. So if you think the market's going to go higher, let us know. If you think the market in Coinbase is going to drop in price, let us know. We're simply here to come into the market, get out the market right before the market changes its direction. So drop us the comment in the comment section, and that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.